Today, we're going to discover the most popular feature in our product, the Blog Wizard. On my homepage, go.anywhere.com, I'll just click on the Blog Wizard and tell Anywhere what kind of blog I want to write. Note these two fields here. Target keywords mean specific expressions that your audience might be searching for. Related keywords are not necessarily terms that your audience is searching for, but are terms that may improve SEO results. So if you have any, let's use them. The next step is have Anywhere generate a title for us. Let's go. You can see that Anywhere created several copy variations for our title and even rated them for performance. I could choose one of them, generate more, or edit any of them. The next step is to build an outline for our blog post. As you can see, Anywhere created a nearly perfect outline for our blog post. All I need to do is maybe shift the order of certain topics, edit the ones that I think need more work, or remove those that I don't like. The next step is to create that intro paragraph, which is really important for hooking our readers. Once again, you can see Anywhere suggested a few intro paragraphs. I could choose whichever I like and of course edit them as I please. So in just a few seconds, my setup is complete and all I need to do is press generate. And that's it. Well, almost. Now I'll continue to the editor to actually compose the different paragraphs of my blog post. As you can see in this editor, I can create copy variations for any paragraph, incorporating specific keywords or adjusting my instructions to refine the writing. One by one I go through the paragraphs until my blog post is complete. By the way, I can also use this rephrase feature to select any text I want and try to put it in different words. Going through the topics of this blog post one by one might take you a few minutes. That's why we kind of call it a 90% tool. It does most of the work for you, but you still need to do a little bit of editing to the final text in the end. But once you're done, your blog post about the importance of sunscreen is ready.